Spoken English class. At the library -1. Phrases and conversation. Here are some phrases you might use at the library. Look for, to search or try to find something. For example, I am looking for Dune by Frank Herbert, or I am looking for science fiction books. Check out, to borrow something from the library. For example, I checked out a book from the library, or I went to the library to check out new books. Apply for, to fill out a form to get a library card. Due date, to ask about the due date of a library item. Be located, to ask where a book is located in the library, such as in an aisle or on a shelf. Misplace, to ask if a book has been misplaced. Organize, to ask if a book has been organized. Not allowed to ask about library etiquette, such as what is not allowed in a public space. Disturb, to ask about library etiquette, such as what is considered disturbing. 1. Borrowing and returning books. I'd like to borrow this book, please. How long can I keep this book? When is the due date for this book? Can I renew this book for another 2 weeks? I need to return these books. Do you have a drop box for returning books after hours? 2. Asking for help. Could you help me find this book? Where is the fiction section? Do you have any books on subject? Can you recommend a good mystery novel? I'm looking for books by author. How can I search for books on the computer? 3. Using library services. Do you have any available study rooms? Is there a limit on how many books I can borrow at once? Can I use a computer here? How do I print documents from the computer? Do you offer any online resources or ebooks? Is there a charge for photocopying? 4. Library membership and accounts. How do I sign up for a library card? I've lost my library card. How can I get a new one? Can I access my account online? How can I check my borrowing history? 5. Events and programs. Are there any upcoming events for children? Do you have a schedule of workshops or classes? Is there a book club I can join? What time does the storytime session start? 6. Library rules and information. What are the library's opening hours? Is food allowed in the library? Where can I find the restrooms? Are there any quiet zones for studying? Can I reserve a book that is currently checked out? 7. General inquiries. Do you have a map of the library? Where is the reference desk? Can I use my laptop here? Is Wi-Fi available in the library? Do you offer interlibrary loan services? 8. Technology and equipment. Can I use the library's Wi-Fi? Do you have headphones available for use? Is there a fax machine I can use? Where are the computers with internet access? How do I connect to the library's printer? 9. Special collections and archives. Do you have a rare books section? Can I access historical newspapers here? Where can I find the archives? Do you have any special collections on local history? Is there a digital archive I can access? Applying for a library card. A. What can I help you with today? B. I need to check out this book. A. Do you have your library card? B. I don't have one. A. Would you like to apply for one right now? B. That's fine. A. I'm going to need you to fill out the application. B. All right. All done. A. All right, now please sign the back of the card. B. Okay. I've signed it. A. That's all there is to it. B. Great. Now can I check out this book? Asking questions at the information desk. A. What can I help you with today? B. When does the library close? A. The library closes at 6 o'clock. B. Does it close at that time every day? A. Not always. B. Is the library open on Saturdays? A. Yes. B. What time do you open and close on Saturday? A. The hours are from 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. B. Okay. Thank you very much. A. Do you need anything else? B. No, that's all. Thanks. Thank you.